Okay, guys. I just want to give a quick update about the SRobot. Concerning SRobot. From okay, I think I still have I think I still have like 1 week, like 7 days or so. Okay, before month end, I still have like 7 days, so a week. So let's say this week. So I'm still gonna allow tomorrow. Highest by Monday, I will stop connecting people. Reason being that I need to test that all accounts are trading. And I don't like when I've already finished working on settling everything, I'm now tampering with it again. For instance, like today's trades were abnormal, okay, because tampered with it very late. Okay, I tampered with it very late. All the trades we were supposed to do very early today, at least in my own very presence, it missed like about 2 or 3 normal trades we were supposed to do. And the reason being that a lot of people were complaining about their accounts not trading. So I had to separate demo and real. Initially, they are all together. So I had to separate them. So now I can decide to have only demo running or have only real accounts running. But for those who want to connect their real account, you need a minimum balance of $10. Okay, a minimum balance of $10. Um, Gafal, how are you doing? You need a minimum balance of $10. Now, I would love you to see how the robot works. I don't need to start telling you put this amount, put just allow it to work and allow it to trade. Now, for some people, just by experiencing, okay, like today, probably we experience a loss, and I told you the reason for that loss. Okay, I tampered with the old stuff. Okay, because I'm updating. And I had to do a major update to this because I had to separate them. Some people's account were trading before before I removed everybody. Okay, I removed everybody because I had to change server. Okay, that's why all the ones that were working before, we have to remove it and we have to put it on a new one. Now, a new one where I put it on, what happened is that you see, how will I put this now? Let's say you have where I have all the people's accounts. Everybody's account is together. Both demo and real, everything is connected together and you are trading. All right. So, but the major concern that we are after is a real account. So if some people are connected and their accounts are not trading, I needed to sort it out. Apart from the fact that it could be a lapse from lapses from the API, I also want to be sure that it is not from my own hand. It's just probably maybe selection based on binary or whatever, which can be redefined, okay, if thoroughly done. So the update was quite necessary for me to do. And I wanted to, I don't like doing the test. Now, this involves real and demo. So probably by tomorrow, I'm going to be running my normal test that I want to run on real accounts. Okay, I'm still going to run a test on real accounts. The reason is so that I can be sure if your account is connected to the SRobot, I need to be sure it's trading. I don't want to go back to the old one. Okay, the old version requires me getting everybody's token, but I don't want to go back to that. So I have 2 options. So I want to, one is already running. Okay, I want to be sure if out of 10 people, 8 people are trading, it's still okay. For me, it's still okay. All I just need to do is to look at the few people that are not trading, put them on a different server, okay, which is better. So it's better compared to out of 10 people, only 4 people or 3 people are trading. It's not good. With demo account is not that important, okay? The real account, Gongo, is the real thing. So you're going to be connecting your real account to the robot. The robot is going to be trading on your behalf. And the trades usually happen before from 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. That's when the robot trades, okay? Very early, the very first set of signals, those are the ones the robot trades. Now, when situation arises whereby I'm tampering with it all the time, it's not going to, it doesn't work well, okay? So I don't want to touch it again throughout this whole week after updating it tomorrow. So tomorrow, I didn't want to open my system today at all. So tomorrow, I'm going to be running a test on a live account, okay? Majorly focusing on live account. For those who are on demo, they will also see the trades, but I want to confirm. So I'm going to be messaging some of the people who are connected on real account. I'll message you. I need your response. I need you to let me know if your account is trading and if your account is not trading, okay, so that I can get to know. I can check it from my home back end. Hello, I can check if your account is trading or not from my home back end. But I just need quick feedback before I start going through that process of checking whatever. I can easily do that to know whether your account traded or not, okay, based on the fact that I can call for it and know if it traded or not. But I also want to be sure, out of 10, okay, when somebody quickly tell me, oh, my account traded, there's no need for me to go and check. Okay, but if they didn't tell me anyway, I can still check. If I reach out to you and I'm not getting feedback, I can easily just collect all the information and check all the accounts that traded. The whole idea is I want to be sure that the trade we are taking, all the accounts connected are trading. Finish. Once I'm able to establish that, then you are not going to be redoing the whole exercise. Are you getting me? Even if your subscription expires, whatever, it's just to renew and do everything. You're not going to be redoing the whole connection, and it's just a one-time thing. Okay, one-time thing. It's only when you have issues you are going to be reconnecting and all that. So one-time connection, that's what you are doing. So if you are doing a one-time connection, you need to do it right. So I need to also be sure that all these things are working fine. Now, I need you to understand, in trading, yes, there will be losses, but you see, our losses is not supposed to come like this. In fact, in maybe let's say 10 days, rarely will you easily just come about one day of a loss. Okay, you might have even hit all your take profit for the whole month before losses come. Okay, because out of 30 days, we need to probably trade 3 weeks or 15 days to hit our target. Yeah. If we trade the whole month, we're going to be making double. But I'm not after double. I'm only after consistency of being able to grow from, let's say you have $10, and by the end of beginning of a new month, your $10 has already become like maybe $15 or $20. You will know you are making progress. Are you getting me? Then you understand exactly what I'm trying to achieve with the robot. I'm not interested in your money. I've not asked anybody to come and subscribe. You're not subscribing. Okay? You're not subscribing. What you're simply doing is you're going to be growing your account. So if we are going to be growing your account, guess what? You are not going to need to go and get money for subscription. No. You are going to make the subscription fee. You are going to make the money. When you make the money, you will know whether you should still connect or not. That's the whole idea. And the idea is, let's grow. Okay, it's something I built independently for myself. I have one running and working. How did I know that it did well today? Because mine already traded. It had done 2 trades. And it won the trades. It did one 115, second one 122. AM today, it has done 2 trades and it has made 20%. It don't close. But you see, because after I updated to upload it to the website, I restarted it. Restarted it again, when I restarted, I found out that it was still loading the old file, so I had to do a new update. By the time I was done, it was already like almost approaching almost 2 o'clock or something. So it's doing, the first trade was a loss. The first trade was a loss. These are things that will happen in trading. It's normal. Don't now like, just allow, I don't know how else to explain this until you watch, wait, and see. That's when you get to understand exactly what I'm trying to pass across. So for those who are interested in, now if you're also interested in me building specially for you based on how you want it, I can do that. Okay, how you want it, because we have different capacity. There are people who already have enough funds to start trading big. They don't want to wait 2 months, 3 months. If you want that, I can build that for you. But you see, you need to see what you want. You need to see the performance base of what you want to get first. Are you getting me? Now, that's where I want you, by the time you get to see the compilation of our results, you will know whether it's something, oh, can you build this thing for me to be trading? I don't even want 20%. Can it be doing 10% for me? I had one before like that was doing 10% for me. It was the most effective one I've ever had because it was just doing one trade. Okay, one trade per day. And I think I had about 1,000. In fact, then dollar set was like 700 or 500, 400, 500. Highest it got then was 700. So it was there like that. It was doing trade consistently. Okay, that was making me, what made me turn it down was because I needed fund for a special project. So I had to take the money and use it for a special project. I'm still going to run back to such because I like it. The way I built that one was more of like a compound trader. Okay, I built it in such a way that every time it makes money, but before I made it start trading compound, it was trading solely on profits. After it has made profit, I think it was about 6 or 7 months. After 6 or 7 months was when I saw the consistency of the result. That was when I now updated it to compound base. So you don't suddenly just do something. I've had enough time, enough whatever, data, enough testing, flopping, the one that works, the one that does not work, the one that binary will even introduce to you that looks very nice, looks very convincing, but it's a trap. Bots on binary, that's using binary bots, using binary dbot or bot, whichever one it is, it's a trap. Okay, whatever you put there, they get to monitor, they get to use your information to update and optimize their website. That's why I have my robot running on external server. They are only going to be seeing me executing trade, boom, boom. They don't know the structure of my analysis. When do I enter the trade? How do I enter the trade? They don't have any idea of all those information. That's why I prefer an external server. Okay, not that I cannot. I have those all my strategy on both before, on both that I can build easily. You just plug it on your account and play, and we'll start doing. But you see, binary, more especially when you start making money or you start putting big funds. Once you start using big funds, that's when that's when you understand that it's a game. Okay, because they are there to make money. You too, you are there to make money. So my own belief is collect your own small. I like this small. I'm okay. I'm the $10 guy. Hello, I'm the $10 guy. I've never called you or told you come and make $1,000, come and make million, come and make billion. But I can tell you, you can categorically be making $13 every day, $15 every day, $20 every day with just 2 or 3 trades from the signal setup, easy peasy. But you see, this is where we have challenge. Because it's so easy to obtain, to do, most people get easily carried away. You now look at it that, this thing, they work. Oh, now. I've used $10 to make $2. Maybe I should do morning, $2, afternoon, $2, then evening, $2, $6. That one makes sense. They work like that. Greediness, they work like that. I've trained more than 3,000 people. I know. This is how everybody thinks. Before they come and they tell them. Some of them will hear. That's why you see me calling people Montula. Because they are so stubborn. They don't want to hear. If you don't have another means, like me now, I don't have another means. I don't have another business. I don't have another work. If I do not trade, no money, I no go chop. If binary no pay me, I no dey chop. No money to chop. No money to flex. No, I don't have alternative business or anything I depend on. The only thing I depend on is this trading. That's why I'm working my ass off to build something that can be doing it for me just the same way I'm doing it, but now with more simplicity and concentration, that I don't even need distraction. I don't need to be tempted. Ordinarily, there are days I could use $10 to make $10, $5 to make $5, $20 to make $20. Guess what? I've made 100%. You are okay. You're supposed to be good, right? But that human part of you that needs more money than you will tell you, this is nice. And we can turn this 100 to like 200. You now see that 100 you made, you will end up blowing it. Many people who have traded, they've been in that circle. Do you know how do you get control to stop that urge that makes you give back what you have made? You need to set your objective very small. Don't aim too big. That's why you see me talk about the small one. Because if you stay in the small limit of collect small, you will end up piling up so much that you will wonder that I made this one from this small. I have done the big one. I have done the small one. I have done the small one to fit the bill of the big one. Then the big one, I will make money. The same problem I had with the small one will come back and haunt me in the big one. And you will end up losing big time. That is what happened to people. So when I'm telling you, I have experienced it front and back. I've been trading binary options since 2014. So it's not now. So if I'm telling you, I know what I'm saying. Take it small. There is none of my students, I repeat, there is none of my students that cannot do one successful trade. One is even too small. 2 successful trade a day, daily, there is none. But do you know what the problem is? It's too small. Meanwhile, they always forget waiting they bring to the table is small as well. So if you want to earn big, bring better money. You want to earn in millions, bring millions, you make millions. But you see, you have not made thousands with the process. You want to make millions. Who teach you? Who will be your teacher? Who tell you that's how it's done? You are going to shoot yourself in the foot. If they are going to be hero, like right now, if it was the main money we are using to trade, some people will be feeling bad when they experience a loss right now. Okay? They will be feeling bad. But I tell you that there will be corrections that I need to make. This is the time I can get to see and know, this, because the one I had before, okay, you will manually generate the token. But you see, because it's your real account, your token is going to be exposed to other parties. Through the medium, you send it to me. Through the medium, I receive it. Or people going through your phone can get to see token from your phone and use it against you. Even if they cannot withdraw money from your account, they can use it to blow your account. They've done that to me. Hello? They've done that to me. They could not withdraw with it. They blew their account off. They've done it to me. They did it to me. Even recently, that was one of the reasons why I changed it. They did it recently. Hello, yes, they did it to me recently. So that's why I said, no, I'm not going to allow other people's this thing to be open. That's why I had to put it on the app. Okay, let me take it to the app. The only way you have access to the token is on the server. When it's being used, we call it collect and use, finish. That's where access is. So nobody have access to it. Myself, I don't get access to it. If I need it now, I have to go to the server to go and get it. I want to test, I want to get information. I have to go to server to go and get it. That's how it works. That way it's better, it's safer for me, it's safer for anybody, and then somebody can easily remove that access. So that's the real reason behind all the testing phase. And let me tell you, I'm not going to be calling anybody. I'm not going to be coming here, talking to anybody, telling anybody, oh, be interested in this, be interested. Once we kick off and accounts are already connected and we are growing, if you want to enter, you will enter where you meet us. Okay? You will enter where we did. You will enter. And you are not going to pay small money. Hello? You're not going to pay small money. Because now you see, say you don't work, Abby. You want to chop. You go pay, you chop your own too. That's how it works. So it's very simple. For those who believe in it, those who believe in it, if you've traded before and also you are trading, or you want to earn with binary, with DERIV, it's very simple. Stick to 2 trades per day or oneself. It's more than enough. Do it for 10 days. See your consistency. Then do it more. Commit more. Until you have made 300%, 3 times or 5 times your actual investment that you started with. Don't try to change it. Don't try and change anything. Just leave it as it is. Let it grow. The only reason why you see us compounding is because I don't want you to start bringing in more money. I want you to grow money so that you see that the platform works. You can actually collect money from this platform. Then use the money. You see, when you are trading, like me now, I'm trading. Okay, I've not had time to start this year. I'm trading with profit from DERIV, not with my home money. So if I execute a trade now, I experience a loss, it's not going to shake me. Yes, when you are trading with profit money and you lose, you're not gonna feel bad. You're gonna be excited that I'm going to make it back. No, it's part of those that you have to experience losses. Many people have planned to just make money. They don't have plan. What about if it did not work? What will I do? How will I go about it? So that's why I'm telling you this, and I'm informing you ahead. Monday, that's the only time. Tomorrow is Monday. That's the only time I'm going to have. Anybody else who wants to connect, kindly send your email and your name to 070-889-00099. Okay, send your name, your email to that number. I'll create an account for you. It's free. Okay, all you need is to have a minimum balance, at least $10. Okay, and then your account will be able to trade. Then the connection is once. You only do it once. Now the way the SRobot works is going to be trading signals based on signals generated. You want to see all the history of the signal generated or traded? Go to my website. Yeah, you can still even see them on my website. If you go to my website /report, you will see website link /report. You will see all the reports. Okay, depending on the name of the index you want to check, you can see all of them, even without you creating an account. But if you want to have signal to trade, it's also possible. Now, if you also want to be trading with that my signal in your own way, I can build it for you. Okay, I can build it for you. It's not free and it's not cheap. I will build it for you exactly how you want that. You want a 10%. Excuse me. Whatever you want, it can be done. Even if you have strategy that you are using, I don't want to encourage. I don't want to entertain EA for now. Okay, I don't want distraction. I'm only building robots that trade directly on DERIV, smart trader, accumulator, DERIV trader, not EA. Okay, I can easily build expert advisors. If you need to build for your strategy or whatever, I can help you build. But I'm not interested right now. What I'm interested in, okay, is robots, smart traders that can trade whether it's Tico, whether it's digital, whether it's whichever one you want. You have the strategy, is working for you. You want to build it into a bot instead of you doing it yourself. Allow robot to do it for you. It will just be like you doing it. All your laws, your rules for losses, for profit, everything is there. You put it there. You have everything controlled. It's more efficient, more effective. Okay, more effective. I've been talking about robots, stuff like this, making automation since 2021. 2020 actually was when I initially started off, but all the ones they built for me, they get as they be. So that's why I'm doing the thing myself. Hello, I'm doing it myself. I'll test it to my own capacity. If it works like this, I'll know it works. This one, okay, I've not been able to do the one that can trade for 20 people. This one, once people reach 50, they trade well. I'll cut it short, maybe break it into 2. But you see, for me to be able to see the challenges I may have with it, because I have not used their API like that before. Okay, I have not used it like that before. Okay, so if I want to use it now, guess what? If I want to use it now, I need to use it right. There will be errors, there will be mistakes, there will be stuff I need to correct. Once it's done, you're not correcting anything, you're not updating anything. It's just cruise. I'm not going to update it again. I'm not going to start changing. I'm only going to be updating our barrier offset based on how DERIV change. That's what I've been doing to my home. I will only increase it. Once they decrease it, change it, I will change it for them. I just they follow them, they go. So these are the options you could have. You could make more, but you see, start with small. Start with small. This is my encouragement to all my students. I've told them the reason why I stopped communicating is because it's the same thing I'm always talking about every time. Every time the same thing I'm doing workshop on the same. It's like repeating class. Workshop, it is the same thing. I wanted to stop calling people Montula. I'm tired. It wasn't gingering me anymore. So I had to tell them, you want to do this, it's very simple. Hear word, you will know peace. See me, I don't get another business. If you get business for me, if you give me you want to build something, anything that is robot, whatever, tell me, I will help you. We'll do it together. But you see, if it is business that generates income for me every day, it's DERIV. It's digital trading. It has not failed me. Okay, if it has been generating 15,000, 20,000 for me every day, you expect me to leave it alone? I'm trying to make it to be generating 200,000 every day. What are you saying? Hey, let it be generating 200,000 or 500,000 every day. But you see, for me to make it like that, the one I have now, I have different projects. I have one that is working, that is growing. Just growing it small. The plan is to start and grow small. You see, what we want to do now, that one is already doing it. I'm not touching it until, when is that? September, before I can go to the account and say, what's up, Alpha? Let's collect something. That time, the money go down heavy. But now, not touching. So you have to learn to manage. You are wondering, you want to make quick money. It's not all about quick money. If you are coming to DERIV to make quick money, you will not make shishi. Shishi, shing bang, you don't go make. Instead you will lose money. The small way you get, you go lose them. Greed not go even allow you. Imagine somebody coming with $10, and let's say a whole week from that $10 you have made $5, and you are not excited. You are not excited. You don't know what you do. You don't even know what you get. It's true, you don't know what you have. It means in a week you have just made 50% of your money. All you need to do is just study what you did throughout that whole week to make that 5 and repeat it again. If you have the ability to repeat it again and again, you are in money. That's how simple it is. It's not about big money. Yes, there are people who are trading who are making big money. Oh, do you think they don't entice me to? Yes, they do, but we are not all the same, my brother. All of us, we not be the same. All of us not be the same, and all of us cannot end up doing the same thing. Okay, guys, it's already getting late. I just came back home, so I need to go. Guys, so that's the update. So from tomorrow till end of the month, okay, the account, I'm going to allow it after Monday, after, let's say Tuesday, after Tuesday, it's going to be trading on its own. I'm not going to update anything. I'm not going to touch. I'm only going to be attending to accounts probably that are not trading and find out why they are not trading. For instance, yesterday, why I had to do an update, I observed that like maybe 4 accounts, they were shutting down the all other ones that may not allow them to trade. So I had to separate everything, separate demo, separate real. So now real can run on its own, demo can run on its own. So and my major concern is on the real account. The whole idea is for us to make money. I will not want something that is going to be blowing people's money. So we need to establish this phase is important, and it's going to happen. Hello, it's going to happen. It is important. It should and it will happen, whereby you are trying to make money. There will be error. There will be things. It has happened to my own personally that I had there, and I observed that every time I tampered with it, I update it, I touch it, it somehow resets the whole balance, unlike something that is already flowing. And once I change something, so that's why I don't like touching it. Right now, I don't even like touching it. When I wanted to do another one that is going to be doing compound trading and stuff, I had to create a fresh one and put it beside it. Because I don't want to, because I know when I touch it, it takes a while before it balances up. Good evening, sir. Can I still connect tomorrow? Yes, John. Just send your name, email, send it to 070-889-00099. Okay, send it to that Williams. How are you? Good evening. Send it to 070-889-00099. Okay, I don't know how to pin numbers to this thing, but I'll try and see if I can edit later and have the number. It's free for anybody who wants to connect. Now, the minimum starting capital is $10 from now to the end of the month. It's when we've finished a complete 1 week exercise and I've seen that, oh, we are now stable, then we increase it. Okay? We'll increase it. From $2, we increase to 5. From 5, we increase to 10. Once we are stable at 10, then I will allow it to trade for a whole month. Then we'll repeat. The whole idea is we have $50. We grow that $50 to $80. Okay? From $80, we grow it to like maybe 150, 130. From 130, we grow it to like maybe 200. Okay? So from that 200, you know you have already made profit of 150. Right? You will now start earning better money. You will start making at least minimum of $10 every day. Okay? That is the target. Can you have an account whereby you're making the $10 every day? Let me tell you, that thing, they sweet me. If not be for the robot, I go take survive trading every day. I go learn to become a developer. How I go learn coding? How I even go pay for the classes, do everything? How am I going to be doing running expenses? Okay, today I've collected my daily income. It's not plenty. Okay, it's not too much money, but I'm okay with it. Now the plan is to double it up. Okay, can I have it in 10 places so that I can be making $200 every day or $500 every day? That's the plan. That's the target. But you see, if I want to have such an account, I also need capital. I need funds. So I want to collect the money from Binary first. I do that every year anyway. I do that every year. I'll collect the money. Money where I go take do business. Now Binary they give me. Hello. And it can give you to slow, steady. See, if you have been my student and I have taught you how to trade, I've shown you how I generate my signal and all that. All you need is to do 2 trades per day and you are okay. Two. Okay, let's even say you want to be very, very stable. Start with 1 every day. Do it for 10 days and see your result first. If you are able to make 50% of your target, you are good. You are okay. Very good. Whether you want to do touch or you want to do goes outside or you want to do rise and fall, whichever one, make sure you do just very small targets. Are you getting me? Even companies are not making 100%, 200%, 300%, 30% every month. No. Some of them, their earnings are in per annum. In a month, they might just make maybe 8% or 10%, highest 12%. And you want to start, you want to just turn the whole place upside down. Who's saying you come? The plan is a long, you get it. You get little consistently. Every other thing will fall. You don't get them. The plan is make it slow. You see, I've seen Oyinbo people. When my ogas were telling me, I find it difficult to believe. My ogas were telling me I should settle for 8%. I asked them how me and my family go chop 8% in a month. I said, how we go chop? They said, no, it's all about your capital. Imagine you have somebody had $2 million in his trading account. All he targets for the month is 8%. Meanwhile, these people are very, very systematic about what they do to the extent that they plan their projection annual returns for the year. They already know how much they're going to be making for the year. So they don't even stress. They don't go after hurry money, whatever. They just go after the small one way they need. Imagine 8% of 1 million is like 80,000. Abi? Yes, 80,000. So 80,000. So like making 160 every month. 160 every month. And they get capital 2 million. It's just the same way. Let me say I have a capital base of 2 million. Me, I can even make 30% of that 2 million. I can even make 30% of that 2 million. So imagine you making it like that without working for anybody. Now only you they do on yourself. It's very simple. You push. I've tried all my years to teach all I could. I stopped teaching because I was repeating the same, like I was repeating classes. So that's why I stopped. So I need you to understand. Then some of them were thinking probably it's just the money I'm collecting from them that I'm living by. Owó yín tí mo fi ń run advert. It's their money I used to run advert. They see my video, whatever. So a lot of people were thinking this thing is not true. It's kalo, it's whatever. It is not. It's the way you are looking at it. It's a business. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. That's how you make the money. Not by gra. You come gra to DERIV. They'll collect your money. Now you can double your money and then now your money can disappear. You will cry. Nobody to beat. Nobody to do anything to. You will just be looking. And I've made money. That's why a lot of people have regret. Have made money. and I saw the money disappear. It was me that caused it. I should have stopped. That's why I tell people, when you make money, when you set your target to be small, when you achieve it, you close. Close your shop. Close. You see me, if I collect $10, I don't close. It's the same thing I've been doing all these years. I'm still doing. Put, collect, I don't close. But now, I don't even have to do it every day myself. I have a bot, a robot that is doing it for me. He does it, he close. I collect. All me I need to do is to collect my own and use it to run expenses. I go chop, pikin go chop, mama go chop, we go do fine. So I need you to understand, it's simple. But you see, it requires your own dedication. Many people want to learn how to make this money, but they are not mindful of doing the needful. Control. Start small. Settle for less. Some people will say, I can give you a return of 10% every month. You say, it's too small. 10%. It's too small. Why you not go make it yourself? Why you not go make it for yourself? You try make it for yourself. Then you will understand. Okay, prop firms. How much prop firms they even target? Some of them 6%, 12%, 10%. Highest, 10%. Now so easy. If you cannot do it with small, you think you can do it with big, Abi? Oh, that big, now you get pressure pass. Hello, I've been there. That big, now you get pressure pass. The big one, now you get pressure pass. He get part of what he do me now, where I had to halt the contract I'm on. I had to halt it. I had to stop it because of what they do me. I had to halt it like this. I stopped. Now pending. We did pending. So I need you to understand. Everybody can do it. You can be making small. If you compare what you can get from DERIV to what you can get outside, let's even say you put a shop outside now, customer go come and buy. You will go through the stress of staying there from morning till evening, and then you will go through the stress of also for you to go and get materials, whatever, stock the thing, expect people to come and buy. Different whatever. You will do calculation a whole day. Maybe at the end of the whole day, your profit for that day is like maybe 4-5. Let's say 4-5, and it's not every day you're going to be making 4-5. Maybe another day you make 15,000, another day you make whatever. But when you you put all of them together, you end up making tangible money. Abi, everybody in business go through one stress or the other. They have the thing they have to go through. So if you also want to trade, there has to be that discipline process you have to go through. Routine process, control. What are you willing to risk? What are you willing to do? How do you get to control over trading, over leveraging, wanting too much at a go? If you can stop all that, you will be a profitable trader. You will be a very profitable trader, and you will make money for yourself. You will be happy. Everybody can live fine without disturbing each other. Okay, so I just said let me share this with you guys so that you get to understand, because after we are up and running, I'm not going to be coming here talking about the SRobot anymore. Okay, I'm telling you now, I guess as I walk, my brain now once I lock that up and we are done and it's running, I don't move to another thing. I'm not going to be talking about it again. I go shift, concentrate and face myself, because I just feel like, okay, I've done this for myself, I've done another version again. Let me try and see if I can connect maybe up to highest maybe 50 people. That's where the SRobot comes. So it's not about particularly I'm interested in, oh, you must bring your I'm of no interest. That's why I tell people it does not involve big money. Don't even think about it. If you have big money you want to do, talk to me separately. We will do one for you. Only you. You will have access to your own server. You'll be seeing it. It will be doing for you your own. It's your own. It will be serving you the way you want, whatever you want. But that you're going to be doing plenty. No, I'm not interested in that. I only want to use it to help. Try and reach out to most of all my SRobot first people who have been with me on SRobot. Reach out to them. That's why I'm reaching out. I've reached out to them, told them about it. So also, I think the only place I've not posted this, did I post it to my main group? Yes, I think I did. Because I rarely go to that page. I rarely go to that Telegram or whatever. I rarely go there. The ginger is not there. Hello, the ginger is not there. Maybe when I come up with what I'm working on for the copy trader people, okay, I know I have some copy trader people that we had a bad handing on. I still have them in mind, and I'm working on something on it. But that thing, I want it to be beneficiary to only them. But they're not going to see it yet until it's been proven and tested. I don't like showing things that once we expose, binary will just disrupt it for us. I don't like it. It will just be waste of effort and waste of time and resources. I don't like it. That's why I keep everything away from binary. So don't think I cannot build. I can build bots, D-bots, whatever, binary bots. Those ones are even the smallest to build of any sort, of any capacity. They are even the smallest. But you see, why build it on their server? Because everything, your schematic, your system, your algorithm of operation, of generating your signal is there. They are seeing everything. So they can easily, if you're winning money too much, they can easily manipulate it. They've done it to me. I've seen it live in action. Live in action. Plenty, not once, not twice. I've seen it plenty times. So that's why I left it. I used to work on it like this. That I have the one I can plug on my phone. I'll just boom, 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 boom. You start making money, start making money. I've discovered that if it's just to be making small money, you're okay. If it is to make consistently large volume of money, it's not okay. Go and ask those people who are selling bots. It's not okay. When the loss go hit you, all the money where you make, now you go they hold them. You go they hold them. When you lose, finish. You go they hold DERIV. So guys, I just feel like coming. If you have any question about the SRobot, remember I said if your robot is not trading from now till Monday or Tuesday, give me a feedback. Let me know, because I've updated it, and I'm still gonna run a test tomorrow, Monday, on all the live account connected. Once you have a minimum balance of $10 or is more than $5, I'm going to execute a test on your account to be sure that we are all on the safe side. So guys, God bless you. See you another time. All right? How do you stop this thing? Okay.